Something massive is happening inside Apple right now, and almost nobody is talking about it. For decades, Apple has forced you to pay a premium if you wanted to experience macOS. But just a few months ago, they completely shattered that rule by launching the $599 MacBook Neo. It was a massive hit, disrupting the budget laptop market and running on the iPhone's binned A18 Pro chip. But behind closed doors, Apple just hit a massive supply chain wall. TSMC's factories are completely maxed out, and Apple's genius manufacturing strategy for the budget line is facing a crisis. And that brings us to the real story, the upcoming MacBook Neo 2. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The leaks coming out of the supply chain right now are absolutely insane. Apple isn't just making a minor update. They are preparing a machine that is designed to act as a death sentence for budget Windows laptops. If you are thinking about buying the current Neo or any budget laptop right now, you need to stop. The shift happening from the first generation Neo to the MacBook Neo 2 changes the entire calculus of what a cheap laptop can do. To understand why the Neo 2 is such a massive leap forward, we have to look at what made the first one work and why that exact strategy broke down. When Apple dropped the original Neo at $599, tech analysts were shocked. How could Apple sell a laptop that cheap while keeping their massive profit margins? The secret was inside the silicon. Apple didn't design a new chip for the Neo. Instead, they took the A18 Pro chips for the iPhone 16 Pro lineup that had minor defects in the graphics cores, disabled the bad cores, and slapped them into a laptop chassis. It was brilliant. It saved tons of money, eliminated factory waste, and gave users a machine that easily outperformed the old M1 MacBook Air. But that strategy had a shelf life. As demand for the budget MacBook surged, Apple ran into a capacity issue. TSMC, the company that builds all of Apple's advanced chips, is completely overwhelmed. They are manufacturing the newer 3nm and 2nm chips for high-end iPhones, iPads, and the M4 and M5 MacBooks. There simply isn't enough factory space to keep pumping out old A18 Pro chips just to satisfy a $500 laptop market. This brings us directly to the MacBook Neo 2 leaks, which point to a major release window. Insiders are confirming that Apple is shifting the timeline to adapt to these supply chain challenges. Instead of a minor refresh, Apple is skipping ahead to the binned A19 Pro chip. This chip is built on a highly advanced, ultra-efficient manufacturing process that solves the capacity bottleneck. But the processor upgrade isn't even the biggest news here. The real bombshell leak involves the memory architecture. The current biggest complaint about the entry-level Neo is its 8 GB of unified memory. While macOS handles RAM incredibly well, 8 GB in today's landscape feels restrictive, especially with Apple Intelligence running heavy local AI models in the background. If you open a dozen Chrome tabs, a Zoom call, and a document, you can feel the system swapping data to the storage drive. Well, supply chain documents show that the A19 Pro architecture fundamentally changes this. The MacBook Neo 2 is locked in to feature a massive upgrade to 12 GB of unified memory as the baseline standard. Think about what that means for a budget machine. That is a 50% increase